Hello, dear friends. This is the phone support channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. Thank you. In this video, I want to show and tell you how to change the region in App Store. How do you change the region? Very simple. To do this, go to the App Store application. Now open the main page and click Today. Then click on your account logo. Then click on your Apple ID. Click. After that, you may be asked to confirm your account. I did this recently, so I don't need to do it. But you may be asked? Confirm and move on. Now we need to find and select the item country/region. Click here. Now wait a few seconds. Here we can change our region. But there is a very important point. The opportunity to change the region will appear only when you cancel all the active subscriptions to the applications in the App Store. Even one subscription will prevent you from changing the region in the App Store settings. The app will not let you change the region if you have subscriptions. For example, I have a subscription to Apple Music, and I can't change the region. So we need to cancel the subscriptions first. How do we do that? To do that, we go here again and choose Subscriptions. Click on this item, and here we can see all the subscriptions to which we are subscribed on our iPhone. If I need to change the region, I first turn off all the subscriptions in this list. We just click on the subscription and cancel it. There is nothing complicated, and only after that go back to the item country/region and change our country in the settings. As you can see, this is a very easy and quick way to do it. Done. There's nothing complicated about it. If you like this video, put likes and subscribe to the channel, and also check out the other helpful videos on the channel. That was phone support. Bye. See you soon.